How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the best Call of Duty mobile settings that you can have to help with your gameplay and hopefully turn you into a pro. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for this video, we're going to be using the guide provided by GameLeap, as I personally think that they're the one of the more credible companies that provide substantial gaming tutorials as well as settings. So we're going to start off with the best weapon settings, and I'll be explaining things as I go to help you guys better understand just how it works. So starting with the weapon settings. So these are all of the weapon types in game. So assault rifles, pretty self-explanatory, SMGs, shotguns, LMGs, snipers, and pistols, right? So for everything here, you'd want to use ADS or aim down sights, as it'll have you land all of your shots more accurately compared to hip fire, as these weapons shoot more accurately when you have ADS on. So if you're using an SMG or an assault rifle or a pistol, no matter what the range, it's always better to have it on ADS. Unless, of course, it's CQC. If you're next to the enemy, then maybe in that case, you would want more clarity by using hip fire. Now, in shotgun's case, you would want to use pure hip fire, as the shotguns are built for spread shots, right? So bigger hitbox AoE. So shotguns shine more when you use pure hip fire. So if you're using a shotgun, or if you pick up a shotgun, you would want to use hip fire instead of ADS. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about the basic settings for Call of Duty Mobile. Now, if you guys are using or are new to Call of Duty Mobile, or you're being match made with newer players, then you would want to make sure that aim assist is on, as this helps you get a better feel of the game. But later on, when you go pro or go into more challenging matches with more skilled players, then you would want to turn aim assist off, as there's more control with this turned off. Quick run, obviously, you want this turned on. Is more of an accessibility thing, just to make things more convenient. And the same apply to auto sprint, fixed fire button, and release fire, tap ADS, and slide preference. So all of these are ease of access settings that you would want to turn on. So it even says so here that you want to enable these for fluidity. Now, let's talk about the graphic settings. So obviously, to get the most out of your skills in game, you would want better game performance, right? So no input lag, more frames and whatnot, and these are the best ways to get it. So obviously, you would want quality set to the lowest setting, as this maximizes your frames and makes sure that you get the lowest uh, frame times as well as input lag. So this way, if you're playing competitively, you would have the slight edge or advantage when playing Call of Duty Mobile. Frame rate max, you want to set this up to something higher than 60, obviously, as higher frames mean more fluid gameplay. Shadows eat up a lot of memory as well as resources, so you'd want to disable this for more performance. The same applies for depth of field. Same applies for bloom, as bloom may actually distract you if you're looking directly into the sun, or anything with sun shafts or reflections and lights and whatnot. Basically, having this turned off will help with visual clarity. Now, anti-aliasing obviously is performance intensive. You would want to turn this off. Battle Royale graphic style, you would want to set this to dynamic, as dynamic offers more vivid colors, so it helps with contrasting images. So this will actually help you see better. Now, moving on to audio, obviously you want to hear where the footsteps are coming from. So if it were me, I would keep music off, but you guys could lower it so you could hear incoming players much sooner. And yeah. Now, as for the rest, sensitivity, this one is totally subjective. So if you guys are a high sense player, then obviously have your sensitivity set to high sense. But if you're more used to low sensitivity, like if you aim with the arm, then obviously have it set to low sense. So this one is totally up to you guys. So I wouldn't recommend following this guide to the T when it comes to sensitivity settings. And yeah, those are the best settings that you can use to become good at Call of Duty Mobile. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.